The goal is to turn this dishwasher from this color to silver and black. We'll see how it works out. Alright, here we go. I'm going to see what I can do. I've got it taped up and done as best I can, and now I'm going to go for it. There's my first spray. I'm going to give it a little bit of time, and then we'll spray it again. Okay, this is it after 3 coats. It's not dry yet, so we'll see how it goes. This is how it looks with the black and white. Now there's some overwash on this, but that's not a problem. I think right now it's looking pretty good. It's going to take some time for it to dry, but I think it's going to be okay. The real kicker is tomorrow when I do the stainless steel. This is what it looks like with the film removed. I'm going to put that dark film back on there, and any little spots, there's going to be some spots like right along in here and up here that I'm going to have to take a fine bristle brush, put some of that paint, just spray it into a glass dish, kind of thick, and then just take a nice fine brush and brush it on. I'm not worried about stuff like this because I'm going to cover it up with that film anyway. Alright. Day 1 is done. Day 2, I didn't realize that this little thing here was metal. So so the paint I used on it didn't work. So now I got to take that off I'm going to use nail polish remover. And then I'll paint it with metal paint. So we'll get it done. I've cleaned off that little handle with just use fingernail polish remover. I'll paint it again with some different paint. A few little touch-ups that need to be done to that black, not much. I've cleaned off the front of the dishwasher with the Windex that they said to use, or the window cleaner, or whatever you want to say. And now I'm going to go watch the movie again, and then I'm going to start putting on the stainless. First coat of the stainless. And in an hour, I'll put the second coat on. Okay, this is coat number 2. An hour after coat number 1 went on. And I will do a third coat. Ta-da! This is after the third coat and waiting to do the top coat. I think it's looking pretty good. And still have some things that need to be fixed on it. The door little thing here, that's got to be fixed. And then I've got a little paint that got on the black, which I'll redo that. But other than that, I think so far it's looking pretty good. Okay, I'm working on the clear coat. This is clear coat number 1. It's been 2 hours since I did the other. Now, what I decided to do with this was make it silver. Why not? You know, it'll look good that way. Anyway, clear coat number 1. I have to wait an hour and I'll put the second one on. Alright, this is all day work, and that's what I get from it. I think it looks really good. I decided to paint the handle the gray color, you know, the stainless steel. I think it turned out well. In another day or 2 or 3 or 5, I might come back and put a little extra one more coat of the top coat, make it a little bit shinier so that it matches the rest of the stuff a little better. But I think that that's pretty darn good. I'm happy with it. The paint and everything and all, you know, everything that went with it cost me about $60. This is a free dishwasher. And between the installation and having to buy a few things, that free dishwasher has cost me about $150. But hey, I like it.